And this is Zuby Masters returning from my Let's Play of Spyro the Reignited Trilogy. Let's continue on our way through Autumn Plains and head over to Magna Cove. Right then. Entering Magma Cone. I don't think it's a good idea. Ooh, lucky you. Not so lucky for your friend. Wait, so your friend got crushed by magma and your juice relax? Yikes! Alright then. Hello, Spyro. I suppose you're here for the party. I'm afraid it's been cancelled because the stupid Earthshapers set off the volcano. So wait, you were having a party near a volcano? Ow, dang it. Okay. To beat these guys, you have to push them into the... Nice job, guys. Ooh, lucky. Boom. Alright then. Now, there's a couple of orb challenges right down this hole right here. You'll meet Hunter, and he wants to challenge you to a collection race. Hey Spyro, check out this cool cave I found. Let's play a little game. Every so often a piece of this crystal popcorn pops out of the ground. The first one to 10 then wins. Alright, ready when you are. Let's do this. Now follow the green gas. It'll lead you to crystals. Oh man. Ah, go, 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 go. There we go. Uh-uh. Eight, 9, 10. Okay, you win. Here's an orb. I almost got a perfect game there.
I'll give you
another orb if you can beat me again. Let's play to 15 this time. What do you say? Yeah, let's do it. I'm you are. Yeah, you'll be a lot more faster and quicker on the draw, man. Ah. There's another one. Where are you? Ah, there's... Dang it. Ah. Go, 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 go. Ah. Yes. 6. Ah. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12, 13, 14. Go, 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 go. Yes! You're really good. I'm gonna have to come up with some harder games for now. This is orb. I guess you earned it. Thanks for the orb, buddy. Thanks for being such a good sport, too. Right there. Ah, dang it. There we go. Yeah. Sweet jackpot. Alright then. Aw, come back here, you little rock dude. Alright. Sure. Alright, that looks like that's all the treasure down there. Hit him with that wrecking ball. Yeah! Alright then. Ooh. Alright. Alright. If you isn't my best customer, the elevator in the next room can take you to the volcano. You can have a limited use of the elevator for a one-time fee of a few gems. Alright, doing business with you, simple step on the elevator and we'll take you to the bottom. When you want to come back up, just step on it again. Alright? Now this elevator takes too long. Alright then. Now for the hard part. Rock hop. Automatically closing the lid on the volcano, Spyro. Things are getting a little too hot around here. By the way, here's a talisman I was saving for the party later. I think you deserve it more. I always thought of that in the original as a party hat of some kind. Hey Spyro, you're just in time for the party. Well, you would be if there was nasty lava monsters hadn't stolen our hats. It just won't be the same without the party hats. Don't worry. Now to beat them, you have to hit them with molten rocks. Alright, so your flame attack just won't hurt those guys. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 more left. Where are you? There we go. Alright then. Go. Alright, that's all the gems. Still got 2 more left after these lava monsters. I think I have a pretty good idea where it is. And weird. Oh, there you are. Ah. Da da da. Recharge on my super fly. There we go. Thanks, Spyro. You saved the party. Here, this got mixed in with the cheese balls, and I almost chipped a tooth on it. Oh yeah, you do not want to sink your teeth into that. Alright then. Well, let's head back home. Ooh, party time. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not very nice. Alright then. Now to get the final talisman. It's right across this bridge. Shady Oasis. Ooh, sounds very relaxing. Ooh. Should always watch what you eat, big guy. Spyro, it's a good thing you're here. I've been trying to get a berry out of this magic berry bush, but I'm not strong enough. You can charge for playing that. Some yummy berries should drop. Alright then. Nice try. There we go. Yeah, you gotta have that. Oh, just so you know, you need to bash that guy's shield away before you can take him down. Or you can take him from behind. But that's kind of difficult. These genies can only be taken down by your flame attack. I've tried taking them down with a charge, but it doesn't work. Right? We need to find some peacocks now. First, I gotta get. There we go. There you go, big hippo. Oh, what? Oh, that doesn't look so smug. I'm still alive. Hey, little peacock. Yeah, I need you for sparks. Oh, they must have fixed that. Thought I couldn't take it down with a charge. Alright then. There you go. There you go, you hungry, hungry hippo. And there we go.
Thanks for helping me reach the great berry bush.
Here, now we can eat berries all the time. Here, take this. It's a gift from all of us hippos. Alright. It's right down there. Ooh, jar. Now for that challenge over there, you're gonna need the bash attack, which you'll get in the next level.
Spyro,
My brothers have been trapped in solid rock. I'm afraid you'll need to learn some kind of head bash before you can help us. Don't worry. Come back as soon as I learn it. It's always nice to know that somebody's looking out for their family. Then Alright then. Probably the final one. Then I get that sweet, sweet treasure. There we go. All green gems. I almost forgot about those. Alright then. Still got at least 95 more to go. At least. Alright then. Spyro, 3 thieves have stolen our magic brass lamps. Can you get the lamps before they take them away from Shady Oasis? Sure thing. Alright. Doesn't sound too difficult. Oh, sorry there. Oh, what? There we go. It's 1 down. 2 more to go. Oh, this one's a little bit faster. There we go. 1 more to go. Alright then. There we go. As you can't turn very fast. Thanks for bringing back the 3 magic lamps. Here, take this orb. Some fairy left it with me, but it won't hold the proper shine. Alright. That's it. Let me grab the treasure from down there. And we'll be returning home. Alright then. Up whirlwind we go. Now we return home. No berries or something? Oh, a greedy little guy, aren't you?
Well done,
Spyro. Now that you have all 14 talismans, your guidebook can break the lock on the door and you can fight Gulp. Are you ready? Bring him on.
You'll have to jump
down the hole in the floor to get to wherever Ripto and Gulp are waiting. I can help you out a little bit. I tamed some pterodactyls from the skeletal badlands. I'll be dropping an object that I can use to help fight Gulp. Alright then. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here for today. Hope you like it, and stay tuned.